Welcome back to our channel, my dear friends. Today, I want to talk about something we often forget while trying to build a better life. Sometimes you do not need more motivation. You do not need to work harder. You do not need another long to-do list. Sometimes you simply need time to recharge yourself. There are days when you wake up, look at your responsibilities, and feel like you are already tired. You have things to finish, people to take care of, goals to reach. And somewhere in the middle of all these responsibilities, you forget to ask yourself one simple question: how am I doing? We spend so much time taking care of everything around us that we forget to take care of the person who is carrying everything. And that person is you. Maybe you have been working hard for a long time. Maybe you have been trying to improve your life. Maybe you have been learning, planning, creating, studying, or taking care of your family. You may look fine from the outside, but inside you may feel completely empty. And if that is how you feel today, please listen carefully. You're allowed to stop for a moment. You're allowed to breathe. You're allowed to recharge yourself. Resting does not mean that you have lost your ambition. Taking a break does not mean that your dreams are becoming smaller. Sometimes a pause is what protects your dreams from becoming too heavy. Think about a person running a long race. They cannot run at full speed, from the first step until the finish line. At some point, they need to slow down. They need water. They need to control their breathing. They need to give their body a moment to recover. Your life is similar. You cannot give your maximum energy every single day. Some days are for progress, some days are for recovery, and both days are important. The problem is that many people feel guilty when they rest. They sit quietly for 10 minutes, but their mind says, "I should be working." They take an evening off, but they feel like they are falling behind. They sleep longer, but they feel guilty because someone else is already working. My friend, stop measuring your worth by how busy you are. Being busy all the time does not mean you are winning. Sometimes being busy simply means you have forgotten how to slow down. Your mind needs space. Your body needs recovery. Your emotions need time. And your life needs moments that are not about work. You do not have to turn every free minute into a productive minute. You can sit near a window. You can take a slow walk. You can listen to music. You can drink your tea without looking at your phone. You can watch the sky change colors in the evening. You can simply do nothing for a while. You do not always need to be doing something. Sometimes doing nothing gives your mind the space. It needs to start again. And there is another important thing you need to understand. Recharge does not always mean sleeping. Sometimes your body is fine, but your mind is exhausted. You have slept enough, yet you still feel tired. Why? Because your mind has been carrying too much. Too many thoughts, too many decisions, too many messages, too many expectations, too many things you have not said, too many problems you keep replaying in your head. When your mind becomes overloaded, even a small problem can feel huge. A simple message can irritate you. A small mistake can make you doubt yourself. A normal delay can make you feel frustrated. And you may wonder, why am I feeling like this? Maybe you are not weak. Maybe you are simply overloaded. This is why you need to create quiet moments in your day. Put your phone away. Turn off unnecessary notifications. Step away from social media. Stop checking what everyone else is doing. Give your mind a few minutes without constant information. At first, silence may feel strange. You may feel like you are missing something. You may automatically reach for your phone. But stay with the silence. Let your mind slow down. Let your thoughts settle. You will eventually notice something beautiful. You will start hearing yourself again. You may suddenly realize what has been making you unhappy. You may understand what you actually need. You may find a solution to a problem that felt impossible. Yesterday, sometimes, the answer does not come when you think harder. Sometimes, it comes when you finally give your mind some space. Another important part of recharging yourself is learning to say no. You cannot say yes to everything. You cannot help everyone. You cannot be available every hour. You cannot carry every person's problems. Every time you say yes to something, you are giving away a little of your time and energy. So before saying yes, ask yourself, do I really have the energy for this? Is this really important? Will this help me or completely drain me? Protecting your energy is not selfish. It is responsible. Because when you are completely empty, you cannot give your best to anyone. Imagine a person carrying a glass of water all day. At first, it feels easy. After an hour, it becomes uncomfortable. After several hours, their arm begins to hurt. The glass did not become heavier. The problem is that they never put it down. Sometimes your problems feel heavier for the same reason. You have been holding them for too long without rest. You need to put the glass down, even if it is only for a little while. You also need to stop comparing your energy with someone else's. Someone may wake up at 5 in the morning. Someone may work 10 hours a day. Someone may exercise every day. Someone may always look productive online. But you do not know their entire story. You do not know their responsibilities. You do not know their private struggles. You do not know how they recover. Your journey does not need to look like someone else's journey. You need to find a rhythm that allows you to keep going without destroying yourself. Sometimes slow progress is better than fast progress, followed by complete exhaustion. Sometimes 1 good hour of focus is better than 5 tired hours of forced work. Sometimes 1 peaceful evening can give you more energy than another night of overworking. So stop thinking that you must always push harder. There are moments when pushing harder is not the answer. Sometimes the answer is to step back, breathe, recharge, and return with a clearer mind. You also need to recharge emotionally. There are things you cannot fix with sleep. Sometimes your heart is tired. Maybe someone hurt you. Maybe you have been disappointed. Maybe you are carrying a conversation you wish had gone differently. Maybe you are trying to be strong about something that still hurts. Give yourself permission to feel those emotions. You do not have to pretend that everything is fine. You can talk to someone you trust. You can write your thoughts down. You can cry if you need to. You can spend some time alone. You can slowly let yourself heal. Being strong does not mean never feeling tired. Being strong means knowing what you need when you are tired. And please do not wait until you completely break down before you take care of yourself. You do not wait until your phone reaches 0% before you charge it. So, why do you wait until you have nothing left? Recharge before you reach empty. Sleep before you become completely exhausted. Take a break before your mind starts shutting down. Spend time with people you love before you forget what peace feels like. Your body often whispers before it starts screaming. Listen to the whisper. Maybe you need a slow morning. Maybe you need one evening without work. Maybe you need a weekend without social media. Maybe you need a walk. Maybe you need to laugh again. Maybe you need to return to a hobby you left behind. Maybe you simply need to sit quietly and breathe. Do not underestimate small moments of peace. A few quiet minutes every day can slowly change the way you feel. There was a young woman who believed she had to be productive every moment. She worked during the day. She studied at night. She checked messages before sleeping. And the first thing she did every morning was look at her phone. She thought she was being disciplined, but slowly she stopped enjoying her life. One day, she realized something. She was achieving many things, but she was not feeling anything. So she decided to change one small habit. Every evening she gave herself 30 minutes without her phone. No work, no social media, no messages, just quiet time. At first, it felt uncomfortable, but after a few days, she started sleeping better. After a few weeks, she felt more focused. She started enjoying small things again. She began talking more with her family. She returned to a hobby she had forgotten. Her life had not suddenly become perfect. She had simply given herself permission to breathe. And sometimes, that is exactly what we need. My friend, your life is more than your productivity. You are more than your work. You are more than your goals. You are more than your mistakes. You are more than the things you still have to accomplish. You are a human being, not a machine. Machines can run until they stop, but you have a mind, a body, a heart, and a life that deserves care. So today, I want you to make yourself a small promise. You will stop feeling guilty every time you need rest. You will stop comparing your energy with someone else's. You will stop treating yourself like you must always be strong. You will learn to recognize when you need to slow down. You will give yourself time to recharge. And when you return, you will return with more clarity. Remember this. Rest is not the end of your journey. Rest is a part of the journey. A pause is not failure. A slow day is not a wasted day, and taking care of yourself is not selfish. Sometimes, the best thing you can do for your future is to take care of yourself. Today, because the future needs a healthy, focused, and energized version of you, not an exhausted version of you that has nothing left to give. So, if you have been feeling tired lately, do not be angry with yourself. Take a breath. Slow down. Give yourself some space. Put your phone away. Get some sleep. Take a walk. Talk to someone you trust. Do something that makes your heart feel light again. And when you feel ready, start again, not from zero. From experience, from everything you have learned, from everything you have survived, from everything you have become. You do not need to rush your comeback. You just need to make sure that when you come back stronger, wiser, and more at peace with yourself. So, my dear friends, remember this. You are allowed to recharge yourself. You are allowed to take a break. You are allowed to protect your peace. And you are allowed to choose yourself sometimes. Your dreams are still waiting for you. Your goals are still waiting for you. Your journey is still moving forward. You just need a little time to breathe before you continue. So take that time. Recharge your body. Clear your mind. Protect your energy. Reconnect with yourself, and when you are ready, stand up again. Because sometimes you do not need a new life. You just need a little rest before you continue living the life you are building. If this message helped you today, please like this video, share it with someone who has been working too hard, and subscribe to our channel for more powerful and helpful lessons. And before you go, write this in the comments. I will take time to recharge myself, and I will come back stronger. Let these words be a promise to yourself. Take care of your energy. Protect your peace. Give yourself time to breathe. And never forget, you can slow down without giving up. You can rest without losing your direction. And you can pause today so you can move forward stronger tomorrow. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care of yourself, recharge your energy, and keep moving forward.